So is it possible to make money online with your tissue paper, that is your toilet tissue paper? In this video I'm going to show you step by step how to make money with your tissue paper. So this is what happens. You go to the Amazon Associates program. So I've actually left a link in the description below which allows you to get to this site. You sign up for the Amazon Associates program, then you recommend any product, that is maybe the tissue or whatever you want to recommend, for anything that is on Amazon. When you apply, they will give you a customized clickable link so that when someone clicks your link and then purchases that product or any other product on Amazon, you get between 2 and 10% depending on the category. So when you apply, you can come to Amazon here and search for something like maybe toilet paper, whatever you will be searching here. Then after searching for toilet paper, you can come here on the Amazon Associates site Stripe, then click on text right here, and then short text. There's a short text and a full text. Come here and then copy, or you can just get link here, and then you can go to your social media, whatever, or you can just come here and click on Facebook here, and then you can share it on Facebook, on Twitter, or you can just come here, copy the link, then share it on social media. If someone clicks your link, maybe they buy this tissue paper or anything else, you can make money online. It might be easy, like I'm telling you, you can make money online just by referring links. So it's not actually easy. Here is the way to do it. You can just come here on YouTube and search for something like the best toilet paper, like this. Which toilet paper brand should you buy? This video 2.9 million views. When you create your video, the best toilet paper that you need to buy right now, you tell them, oh, this is the best tissue paper you need to buy. You may do a comparison video like brand A versus brand B. Which tissue paper brand do you need to buy? And then if they click your link, buy that tissue paper, you make money. If your video gets up here at the top right and people continue watching it, more people continue watching, like this video on the top has got 2.9 million views. Out of those 2 million people, only 100,000 bought that tissue paper. You continue making money, like year after year after year. People are continuing seeing your video and it is being recommended on the YouTube platform, and people are clicking your link, and then you make money. I will be posting more videos like this if you are interested in how to make money online with simple products like this. So subscribe to this YouTube channel here to teach you how to make money online, and I will see you in the next video.